Hi, I'm Ashley. Today I'm gonna talk about how to solve a quadratic equation. There are four ways to solve a quadratic equation, which are completing square, factoring, square roots, and quadratic formula. And today we're gonna teach how to use factoring and quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. And here is the form. ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Start at the factoring first. X squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. This is our equation. As we see this equation, we know that x squared will be our a value, and negative 2x is our b value. Negative 15 is our c value. So let's look at our c value first. So negative 15 can be factored by 1 times negative 15 and negative 1 times positive 15 and positive 3 times negative 5. Also negative 3 times positive 5. After we finishing factoring our c value, let's go back and look at our a value. From here, we know that there's no number in front of our x squared, which is our a value. But it doesn't mean our a value is equal to 0. Our a value is 1, so it can only be factored by 1 times 1. So we figure out our a value and our c value, and we can go back to look at our b value. From here, we look at our b value as negative 2, and our c value is negative 15. Then we use cross multiple to find out which set of factoring will match our b value. So we know that 1 times negative 15 is impossible to get negative 2. Also the negative 1 times positive 15 is impossible to get negative 2. So look at those two. 3 times negative 5 and negative 3 times positive 5. And here's the cross multiple. Let's look at our a value here. Our a value is 1 times 1. And we put positive 3 and negative 5 here. And here is the cross multiply. 1 times positive 3 equal to positive 3. Then we take 1 times negative 5 equal to negative 5. At the end, we take positive 3 plus negative 5, which equals to negative 2. And the answer is same with our b value. So that means positive 3 and negative 5 is a perfect pair of factoring for our equations. And our equation can be written by x plus 3 times x minus 5 equal to 0. Now, if either of the terms x minus 5 or x plus 3 is 0, the product is 0. In order to get the x value, we need to subtract positive 3 on the both sides, so x will equal to negative 3. And we do the same thing for x minus 5 equals to 0. Now we need to add positive 5 on the both sides, so x will equal to positive 5. Once we find out our x value equals to negative 3 and positive 5, we can just plug the number back into our equation to test is it correct or not. So for the first ones, negative 3 squared minus 2 times negative 3 minus 15 equal to 0. Negative 3 squared equal to 9 minus negative 6 minus 15, which is positive 9 plus 6 minus 15, and the answer will be 0. So x equal to negative 3. And now we are going to check is x value equal to 5. 5 squared minus 2 times 5 minus 15 equal to 0. 5 squared equal to 25. Minus 2 times 5 equal to 10 and minus 15. The answer is 0. So 5 as a correct value for x.